Hello friends, welcome to my channel Helping Hands. Today I will tell you about strings. So let's start. String. Its definition: string is widely used in Java programming as a sequence of characters which are applied through string class as objects. Now a string variable is declared like this format. Suppose I am giving a string a is equal to Java. The initialization value would be given in a double quotes, and this is known as object. As class has object, so string also has object which is known as string object. Here a is the string object. Now suppose if you have to change a character array, suppose ch, I am taking the character variable as a is equal to, sorry, it would be ch here, not ch. A, this is a symbol of array, is equal to, and the values are here as given as this j, as here it is character, so it will be given in single quotes, and the string are given in double quotes, comma a, comma v, comma a, semicolon. So if you have to convert this character array into a string, then you will write string s is equal to, or you can take any variable, new string, and write the character name, variable name here. So as I have taken here a, so I will write here a. Now the output would be j a v a in double quotes. Now one note: in memory means when you give the value when it is allocated in a memory, when a character is stored in a variable, then actually its ASCII code, ASCII value is stored in the variable. As here you can see that in this, as I have written string s is equal to Java, so here Java will not be stored. Here the ASCII code of j, a, v and a, and the Java code of this semicolon will be stored. Now I will tell you about ASCII code. Now ASCII code. As friends, ASCII code is a set of numbers, as capital A is stored as 65, and Z means from A 65, then B 66, then C 67 up to Z, capital Z, it will be 90. Then the ASCII code of small a will be start from 97, then B will get 98, C 99, C 100, and small z will have the ASCII code 122. Same like that, the number 0 will have the ASCII code as 48, and from 0 to 9 the ninth ASCII code will be 57, and then a space means the space which you give from the space bar will also have the ASCII code as 32. Now friends, I will tell you that when two data types are added, then what would be the final result. So suppose if I am adding a character with an int, means a character with integer, then it will always give integer value. If I will add a character value with character value, then this will give a int value, and if I will add anything with the string value, then it would give a string value only. Friends, in the next video I will tell you about the output questions of ASCII code, and also tell you about wrapper class. So if you like my video, then please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.